Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can promote your business on Pinterest. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and head on to the Pinterest website. It's www.pinterest.com. And once you're in the Pinterest website, just log in into your account, or if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply create an account by selecting an email that you want to use and inputting a password, or you can just simply log in using Facebook, using Google, or using Apple. Now, as you can see, I've already logged in into my Pinterest, and for us to start, we just need to create a pin right here. And you can drag and drop or click to upload your images. So for example, I'm just gonna click on right here, and I'm just gonna select a poster or a photo of my business. So once you've done that, you can just simply select publish right here, and you are good to go. Now, if you want to manually create your business ID or your business poster, I simply use Canva. So Canva is a designing tool, and that is completely free for us to use so that we can design a poster for our business. Now with that being said, I'm already on Canva, and let's head to create a design to start designing a poster for your Pinterest. And now once you've done that, just click on create design and click on Pinterest pin right here, and make sure that the pixels should be at least 1000 by 1500 pixels. So just click on that, and once I click on that, it will lead me right here to this designing canvas. And as you can see, you have a design right here, and you can choose a template right here for your business. So I'm just gonna search for cafe templates because I'm selling a coffee. So right here you can actually use all of these templates. Some requires the pro version and some are paid, but some are also free. So make sure to choose the free template if you are using the free version of Canva. So right here I like this one, so I'm just gonna click on that. And now you can actually customize the template you are using. So I'm just gonna say Brewed Blessings Coffee, because Brewed Blessings is the name of my coffee shop. Just adjust it to the middle, and you can add a website. So this is just completely an example. You can add anything you want. You can add a photo, you can upload a photo, you can add some text, or you can add some more elements to it. So I'm just gonna click on coffee right here, and you can adjust the image of that coffee to match with the color background right here. So I think I am now satisfied of what I have actually done, and once you've done that, just click on share right here and click on download, and make sure the size is 1000 by 1500 pixels for Pinterest to actually upload the file correctly. So just click on download right here and wait for the download to start. And now save your downloaded file to any particular folder that you want in your computer. Just gonna click on save. As you can see, I've already saved it. And let's go back to the Pinterest, and now you can actually just drop or click on that and upload a photo from your business to promote. As you can see, it's already done. And now you can just add a title right here. Let's say Brewed Blessings, and tell everyone what your pin is about. I'm just gonna say it's coffee, pastries, and etc. You can actually add an alternate text so you can explain what people can see in this bin. You can see coffees like that. And now you can add a destination link. So a destination link means that you can actually add your shop right here or what platform you are selling. So if you are on Shopify, you can actually add your Shopify store link right here. Or if you are on Etsy, you can share your Etsy shop store link right here. And after that, you can just publish immediately or you can just publish at a later date. So you can choose the date when you want to publish this, or you can just simply publish immediately. So if you want to publish immediately, just click on publish right here and wait for your Pinterest pin to be published. So this usually takes time depending on your internet connection. So as you can see right now, I've already published my first pin right here. And I think that's it. You are now good to go. So if people will, or some potential buyers or some people will come across to your link or to your business promotion or your poster, they will click on this and it will say it right here. So that's it for this video, everyone, and I simply hope that you find this video very helpful. And if you do have some questions or some comments, please feel free to comment it down below in the comment box. And if you find this video helpful, why don't you give it a like and subscribe and click on that notification bell for more contents like this in the future. Bye!